You better not spend another year doing the exact same stuff you've been doing. I'm Ashley. I help women take control of their money. Go check out my bio for any guides that you might need. And let's get straight into it. Let's start building your better life. I'm going to start this video with one of my favorite quotes ever, which is insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. Albert Einstein said this, and this is true, and I live my life by this. If you don't like your results, you don't like what's happening to you, change what you're doing. The easiest and first step to changing what you're doing is to create some goals for yourself this year. Let's talk about it. I'm going to take you through a quick exercise. Get a sheet of paper and write down goals, okay? And we are going to set all these different goals. You can add more if you want to, but these are just a few to get you started. So first, emergency savings goal. You need to have an emergency fund in case anything happens that you were not expecting, so you have money to fall back on. A starter emergency fund just to get you by for the time being is $1,000 to $2,000. A fully funded emergency fund is 3 to 6 months worth of either your expenses or your total income. If you have no savings at all, start with the starter emergency fund goal of $1,000 this year. If you already have that, what does your fully funded goal look like? And do you want to hit that goal this year? So emergency savings goal, write the number. And if you literally that stresses you out too much, then simply write the goal of starting an emergency fund, starting a high yield savings account, opening a high yield savings account. Whatever the goal is, just put a goal. Second, you need to have a retirement goal. You need to be contributing to retirement, okay? Even if it is just a little bit, the sooner that you can get any money into a retirement account, the better. It doesn't matter what age you are not too old to begin contributing to retirement, okay? So if your goal is just to learn about retirement accounts and open one, that's fine. That's a great goal. But I would suggest you at least try to contribute what you can to this retirement. I do have a video about Roth IRAs, 401ks somewhere back in my account, so go check that out if you want to. Now, if you have debt, which a lot of us do, what is your debt goal? Do you want to get a plan created for yourself? Do you want to pay off your first 2 debts? Do you want to pay off your first 1 debt? Do you want to be completely debt-free? That is up to you, but write down a debt goal. And you need to create a budget goal, whether that goal is you just finding your ideal budget or whether that's learning everything you can about what's in a budget and creating your first one for yourself. It doesn't matter. Write down a budget goal and keep in mind, these are goals for your entire year. Like I said, write any other goals you have. I'm specifically only talking about financial goals because this is Her Money Mastery, but this can apply to any goals in your life. Now you're going to draw a line and make another column called action. For every goal that you just created, you're going to put an action or multiple actions that can get you towards those goals. That way, when you are ready, you already have your first few steps that you can go ahead and take towards your goals. For example, for emergency savings goal, maybe your action is to go ahead and open a high yield savings account. For your retirement, maybe you go ahead and open a Roth IRA. If you already have that and your retirement goal is something different, what is an action that you can take towards that goal? Go ahead and create at least one action, preferably multiples, that you can take for each and every goal that you wrote down. Now take this bad boy and put it on your wall, okay? Or put it on your desk or wherever you're going to see it every single day. And you need to try to start taking the actions towards your goals. We are doing something different this year. We are doing something better that's going to take you to a better place. Let me know in the comments, what is your biggest, most important goal this year? And I want to cheer you on. You got this. I'm here for you. I believe in you. Let's create a better life.